Hey, it is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I am back with a few new work from anywhere side hustles. These are very simple and easy to get started in, but best of all, these are forms of passive income. All of these ideas that I will share with you, not only can you get started with them today, but they can generate money for you while you're sleeping. So if you're not familiar with what passive income is, it means that you don't have to actively work to make money. It doesn't take you actively doing anything for you to generate revenue. And that's what's so great about passive income, because you can create something and it can keep on producing for you. So we're going to get into all of that information and I can't wait to share. The first easy side hustle that you can also generate passive income with is starting a YouTube channel. Now, if you're not familiar with how it works, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel before YouTube will accept you to the creators program. And once you're accepted to the program, they will monetize your videos by adding ads to it. So whenever you go to someone's video and there's an ad that shows first, that is what YouTube is generating income from. And then they split that with you. So in order to make that happen, you have to be consistent. Like whenever you start a YouTube channel, you'll have to be really consistent and you'll have to put out really great content. And when you do that, you'll get more subscribers and you'll get people watching your videos. And I was actually accepted to the YouTube Creators Program a couple months back now, and I've received my first YouTube paycheck, and it's pretty cool to see me doing things that I really enjoy and getting paid for it. So if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel, there are literally thousands of videos that will show you how to do that. And I'm still a really new YouTuber. My channel is definitely not exactly where I want it to be, but if that's something that you are interested in me talking more about, I have no problem making a video. And if you are interested in knowing how much money was my first check when I got admitted to the creators program, leave a comment below, and if people comment, I'll make a video about it and share that info with you all. The second easy side hustle that you can do from anywhere and generate passive income is by creating online courses. And there are two websites that I highly recommend if you are to create an online course, and that is Simpliv and Udemy. Now there are many online course platforms, but the reason why I like those two is because the model of the websites is they will make sales for you. So if you're creating a course and you have no clue who you would sell it to, who would even be interested in your courses, you don't have to worry, because the way those websites are designed is when you put them up, they will be searchable and people can find your courses and purchase, and they will also do marketing ads and campaigns, and they will promote your course, and that's how people can find you and purchase your courses. And I actually got started on Udemy myself. I had no clue how to make a course. All I had was PowerPoint and Microsoft Paint, and I created my course, and I just made sure that I put the best information in there. I really did my homework and researched all the information, and I checked my sources. And I found that it really wasn't about the frills of the course as long as the information was solid. So if you are interested in starting a course or creating a course and selling it, you don't have to be intimidated if you don't have like fancy graphics or anything really special. As long as the information is solid, then your course will do really well and you will generate passive income, and it is an easy side hustle that you can do. The third and final easy side hustle that you can do from anywhere that I will share today that will also generate passive income is creating a blog. Now, if you've ever been on an app called Pinterest, you most likely have gone to someone's blog website. Like, for example, let's say you're looking for a recipe or a DIY craft and you click on something that looks interesting, you most likely were rerouted to someone's website. And that is an example of a blog. Now, the way your blog makes you money is you have ads on there. And typically these ads are powered by AdSense, the same platform that generates ads on YouTube. So if you were to create a blog, all you would need to do is have AdSense on your blog and then just let everyone know about your blog. You could even post on Pinterest so other people could find you. And that's how you can generate revenue with a blog. Now, if you're wondering how can I do this, I'm not really sure on the steps that I can take. Well, you can do this very simply. And this is at least what I have done. So you can get your URL and your hosting from a platform called HostGator. And I actually have a 60% off discount that I can give you with the link below. And you can just choose your URL, whatever you want to call your blog, and then you would just pay for your hosting package. And then after you've done that, I would then go to Fiverr, which is what I do whenever I have a website that I need created. And I find someone on Fiverr who can create a website for me. And it's usually very economical. So I'm not very techie when it comes to setting up websites. I can do a little something, and it's really something that you could learn how to do. And there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube, but I actually just prefer getting to the stuff that I'm best at. So when I needed my website created, I bought the hosting, went to Fiverr, found somebody who could do it, and just told them what I wanted. So in your case, if you want to start a blog, all you would need to do is when you find someone on Fiverr, just let them know that you want it integrated with AdSense and tell them how you want your blog to look, and they will set that up for you. And all you have to do is focus on creating the awesome content. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the 3 easy side hustles that you can do from anywhere and also generate passive income. I personally am a big believer in having multiple streams of revenue coming in. It just makes me feel more secure in the event that one stream dries up, another one is going to be there waiting for me. And it's also a great way to pay off debt faster, to have a savings, to put money towards different things that you want to do. Also a way to fund what you really want to do. Say if you wanted to start a business or invest more in your side hustle that you're doing, it's just a great way to help you have more security. So hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below which side hustles you liked best and which ones you're going to be giving a try. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye. Hey, before you go, make sure you check the description box below for a link to my free 10-page ebook. It is a complete checklist for all of the work from home equipment that you may need to get started in your very own opportunity. Talk soon.